Hi, my name is Aglaia and I'm a founder of Octave Piano Lessons. I want to let you into my piano studio today so you can see how easy it is to teach online or to learn online. It's pretty convenient, and if it's organized properly, it's quite an interesting and fun process. So here are a few things that I'm using for my lessons. Here I have from Logitech camera that's looking at me. Here I have my computer. My microphone is right there. I'm using Blue Yeti. I use the light here that lights up my face. I have my open back headphones. I have my overhead camera, and I have my iPad. So let me show you how I do. Oh, dynamic. One more thing. This is speaker Marshalls that was recommended by one of my colleagues. So, and I want to just like show you how the process usually goes. I usually switch between the cameras very quickly. You won't even notice that, boom, it happened. And so here I am. What I usually do when I save the video from the lesson and upload it on Google Drive, I usually return that, rotate it. I'm sorry. I usually rotate it so my students can have a regular view of the keyboard, but I'm going to just like go with it like that. And what I want to show you today is, let's maybe talk about octave and power chords, something that is very much underestimated in my opinion, because in a lot of songs we see ascending, so octave and power. Power is actually fifth from the root, right? And I often see either all the keys to be pressed together or simple arpeggio going up and down. So when I usually explain my students how to play the chords or how to play arpeggio, as we're looking at this chord right now, you have the bottom note, the middle, and the top note. And when we make this little notation, what I do, I usually write it as a bottom, top, middle, top, middle, right? So there's so many different ways of playing it. You can do this. You can go from the bottom, middle, top, middle, bottom. You can actually go up and stay on the top two notes for a little while, or you can go to the bottom, top, middle, top, bottom, top, middle, top. You can play around with descending motion and with accents. Right, emphasizing one of the three. Then you can again practice descending motion and stay on the bottom. It would be helpful for you if you play in your favorite songs and also maybe working a little bit on composition, right? Then play bottom, top, middle, bottom, bottom, top, middle, top, bottom. So just like play around with that. Do not always just stick to something that is offered in the piece. Okay. Oh, sorry. Did not see this coming. So try and practice that. I hope it will be very helpful, and I hope that you will return for more. I also talk to my students about all the creative processes, and we usually discuss composition. We usually learn how to play the chords, how to be more productive with that. And please put your requests in. If you want to learn more about the chords, if you want to learn more about chord progressions, I'm preparing that video, by the way, very soon. Just let me know, because I think the chord knowledge is very important. It helps you to play your favorite songs. It helps you to compose your own music and to understand music better. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Drop questions that you might have in the section below, and I'm very grateful for your feedback. Cannot wait to see you soon. I hope this will help you to have a better perception of online lessons. Enjoy your day.